Samson's nursery has a rich tradition of 200 plus years. Presently, the fourth generation looks after the nursery, and very soon it is going to be handed over to the fifth generation. The family passionately believes in the art of bringing plants to life. Most of the trees have survived generations, and these trees are just not trees but a member in their family. With no further delay, here we go.
This is raspberry, so it can be easily grown in Bangalore climate. Of course, it is a thorny fruit plant, which is preferably it can be grown near a fence. So it is a multi-purpose. See, as it is thorny, and it is a creeper type. It can be, this is used for making jam, and the fruit can be consumed as it is. Okay, this is known as komarak fruit, also known as carambola. It is rich in vitamin C, and when you just cut it into slices, it appears like stars when you cut it into pieces. And there are two varieties in this. One is sour and the other is sweet. This particular variety is a sweet variety, and this is a tropically easily it can be grown in Bangalore climate, tropical climate. Anywhere in India it can be grown on tropical climate. Wherever there is a tropical climate, there it can be grown. See, actually it bears in bunches. Can you just zoom in? This is known as Kagzi lime. The regular lime what we are using, this can be grown in pot, or it can be grown in ground. Better for in case for this terrace garden and all, it can be grown in pots about 12 inches to 16 inches size pots. It can be easily grown, and it requires full sunlight. It is known as burr, that is zizupus. They call it elchi hannu. So this also can be grown on terrace, or it can be grown in ground, and this is very much available in market. and high protein fruit. They call it as very high protein fruit. This is one of the rare fruit. Of course, fruits are not there here. This is known as pulsa. Small berries type it will come, and it will be sweet and sour taste. Small berries and rich in vitamin C. This is strawberry. This also can be grown in Bangalore, and the height is maximum. The height will be 1 feet maximum. So it can be easily grown, and this is also rich in vitamin C. Anybody is aware of strawberry. This is known as Australian fig, a variety in fig, and this fruit is used as dry fruit. The process is there. As per the process they will do, and even ready to consume also. Squirrels are most fond of this. See, this is the fruit. This is the fruit, and it can be consumed. Right now it is ready to consume, and one more part is there. The process, if you do as a dry fruit, it can be consumed. This is lychee plant. So lychees also can be grown in Bangalore, and this lychee fruits usually during April, May, the fruits can be seen in the trees in Bangalore. This is known as avocado, also known as butterfruit. Even this butterfruit can be grown in Bangalore. Right now they are selling about, the price varies from 200 to 250 rupees 1 kg. There are two types. One is sweet dish can be made, or little sour dish can be made in this. On the sour dish they call it as guacamole, and the sweet one they are preparing and apply it on the bread and consume it as for breakfast and all. And of course, they are making that juice and all in this butterfruit. This is known as Malayan apple or star fruit. They call it water apple also. And this is little watery. It is a white in color, creamish white I can say, and a little in star shape. And this also can be grown easily in Bangalore. This is known as rampal. They call it also as sour soup also they call it. Of course, the fruits are little sour in taste, and the fruits are thorny, and it is a very good fruit, and usually this it is good for this cancer patients. That is what the number of researchers have told, that it is good for cancer. This is known as herlekai. This is for pickles. Of course, they use it for to preparing this like lemon rice. In the same way, they are using this also. Of course, little sour is there in this one, and this can be identified. If you compare the leaves, the pomelo leaves and this herlekai leaves are similar. Of course, how you distinguish means, in this herlekai, the second part is little smaller, and the first part is bigger. Whereas in case of pomelo, the second part is also a little bigger. Like that, you can identify that. This is known as Barbados cherry. See, you can just see the fruit here. See this cherry. See, this is the fruit, and ready to consume. Of course, this will be little sour in taste, and after process and all, they are using to decorate on cakes and all, the same fruit, smaller than plum. This is known as Musambi, also known as sweet lime. This can be grown in Bangalore. Plenty of fruits you will get. Naturally, it is rich in vitamin C. Here also, see, identification. This Musambi plant is without thorns, and when you in this there is no second part in this, whereas in that Erlekai, Pomelo and all you can see the second part, whereas in the Musambi there is no second part and there are no thorns in this. Though it is a citrus variety, there are no thorns in this. This is known as peach. Of course, fruits are not there now. And this also can be grown in Bangalore, and lot of fruits you will get. And see the complete plant and how healthy it is. It is totally organically grown, I can tell. We have not fertilized this one. This is guava. Of course, an ordinary variety, easily growing, and totally it is 100% organics. We have not sprayed, and of course we have not put any fertilizer. It is growing by itself, naturally grown. This is known as sharamai, also they call it as Hanuman pal. This fruit is smooth outside. This is not thorny compared to rampal. This is smooth, sweet in taste. This is custard apple, also known as Sitapal. Easily it can be grown in Bangalore. This variety is the of guava is that round one. Why inside it is white. The flesh is white color. This is known as allspice, and these leaves are used for preparing biryani and other North Indian dishes, where they use all this clove, cinnamon, cardamom. This one leaf is equal to all these things. So the smell is like that, taste is like that. This is nutmeg. They call it jakai in Kannada, jakai japatre. This is also a spice plant, easily grown in Bangalore. Okay, this is cardamom, elaki, and the fruits will come near the stem. It will bear near the stem in bunches. This is a amtekai plant where the fruits are used for pickles.
ಈ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅನೇಕ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ಸು, ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸು, ಮೆಡಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೇನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಗ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಲಪುಷ್ಪಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಚ್ ಮರಿಗೌಡ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಕ್ಲೋಸಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನರ್ಸಿಮೆನ್ ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸಸ್ಯ ಸಂತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನರ್ಸಿಮೆನ್ ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಅದು ಅದರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಟ್ರೆಷರರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳು. ಈಗ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ICAR ನ್ಯೂ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಾಂಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ ಇಯರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ನರ್ಸಿನ ಭಾಳ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್. God bless you.
This is known as Amarystria nobilis, one of the best avenue trees and the most expensive one. And the flowers you can see, these are in bud stage right now, and one or two flowers are in bloom, and you can just see the seeds. I'll just show you. See, these are the seeds. And the multiplication of this plant is by seeds and by air layering. See, air layering also you can just see here. This is that air layering. And the success rate is less, so that is why it is expensive. See the flowers. In February it will be in full bloom. January, February. This is a dragon fruit variety, but this variety is only flowering variety. This is not bearing right now, it is not bearing any fruits, only flowers can be seen in this. Again, this is Amarystria nobilis. The tender leaves are so attractive, they are drooping like this. This is a small plant of that Amarystria nobilis. Seeds are grown sowed on this trays, and once it is germinated, and after when the seedlings are about 2 inches, it will be transplanted and grown separately. This is a herb seedling. Yeah, this is cocoa. Yeah, even this can be grown in Bangalore. This is used for producing this chocolates, and used in this Maltova, Ovaltine, Bournvita, and all they are using this. And of course the process is I am not aware of the process, but they are using it. You can see these are all right now they are tiny, and they will grow up to 6 inches long, and diameter maybe around 3 inches or so, and easily it can be grown in Bangalore. This is sandalwood tree. Anywhere it can be grown in tropical climate, it can be grown, and this is basically what they tell, it grows well below another tree. See, this has grown below this coconut tree, and see the height of this tree is more than 30 feet. Parallelly it is going along with the coconut tree. You can just see the height. Almost it is equal to coconut tree. This nursery activity is being continued from generations, and we are continuing, and it will continue. So any requirements regarding plants or any other information related to horticulture inputs, you are all welcome, and we will give necessary information available with us, and the plants, genuine plants, seeds, other horticulture materials are available with us. You may approach us anytime. We are open 7 days a week. This is one of the oldest nurseries in Lal Bagh, Sidapur. As my father told, this is from his great grandfather's time. Just you can imagine how old our nursery is. So you are welcome to our nursery. We also undertake terrace gardening, terrace garden drip irrigation, terrace garden lawns, landscaping is also undertaken, and advices are given. See, we request citizens to grow more plants, to make our country more green, to give more fresh air, so that it will help one and all. We can fight. If we fight pollution, our health is 100% safe. So I request, it is not at all a big job. We have to follow small procedure. We can have beautiful gardens at our homes, on terrace, or in front of your house, or outside your house. Flowering trees you can have, beautiful flowering trees you can have. We will suggest you whatever you want, we will suggest you, and we are at your service. Thank you.